Hey, I'm Stefan Papadakis. We're here at Papadakis Racing. Today we're going to assemble the legendary Toyota 2JZ engine. It's an inline 6. This is for a project that we're doing here at the shop. If you want to see the disassembly of this engine or some of the main bearing clearances checks that we did, I'll link to the video below in the description. So let's get started and get this thing together. So here's the block. So it's been bored out to 86.25 millimeters, 0.25 millimeters larger than factory. It's been decked, which means they resurfaced the top of it, and it's been hot tanked. So they put in this tank and it cleans all of the dirt and everything off of the outside of it, but it also takes the original paint off of it, so you can see it's a little bit rusty. We're gonna paint it a little bit later in the video. So here we are, we're measuring the pistons. So now what I'm doing is I'm double checking the machine shop. In order to do that, I've got to measure each one of the pistons, make sure they're all what they're supposed to be, then measure all of the bores and make sure that we have the proper piston to wall clearance. And that's the clearance in between the piston and the cylinder wall. Also going to check all of the rod bearing and main bearing clearances. Time to install the pistons onto the rods. So we'll use this assembly lube and get everything all lubricated. These are what they call free floating pins. These little clips hold them in. You install it on the piston and the rod, and the pin is actually able to rotate both on the piston and the rod. What's cool about these JE pistons is they're both coated on the top and the sides. The coating on the top helps with temperature, and the one on the side on the skirts helps with cylinder wear. So you have to make sure that the piston is installed on the rod